Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you remember me, then I don't care if everyone else forgets. Love is like a flower, you've got to let it grow. Grow old along with me. The best is yet to be. Love is not finding someone to live with. It's finding someone you can't live without. Take my hand. Take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. To be deeply loved gives you strength. To love deeply gives you courage. The heart has its reasons which reason knows nothing of. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. If you remember me, then I don't care if everyone else forgets. Love is like a flower, you've got to let it grow. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. In dreams and in love, there are no impossibilities. Love is the beauty of the soul. In all the world there is no heart for me like yours. The water shines only by the sun, and it is you who are my sun. You are my heart, my life, my one and only thought. I have waited for this opportunity for more than half a century, to repeat to you once again my vow of eternal fidelity and everlasting love. Love is a friendship set to music. Love recognizes no barriers. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. Love is an endless act of forgiveness. I would rather spend one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone. If I had a flower for every time I thought of you, I could walk through my garden forever. A heart that loves is always young. The best love is the kind that awakens the soul. We are most alive when we're in love.